How old are you?
6.
And what else about you? How many brothers do you have?
Her name is Scotch. 2.
You have only 2 brothers? What's their names?
Achilles, Spawn, Machiavelli.
And who's your sister?
Asia, Salama,
And what do you like to do?
I like to paint.
You like to what?
I like to paint.
Paint? And where do you like to go?
School.
School? And what's your name?
China. China the Scotcher.
What's your name?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
His name is Machiavelli.
Machiavelli. I love you guys.
Love you too.